Hi, welcome to ResolveNest. I'm Shahnaz Khan. Welcome to another video. Here you saw this is my website. So I will do SEO on this website from scratch. So basically, what is our first step? So our first step is how to index our website. So let's index our website. So first go on Google and search for Google Search Console. Here saw the search console. You can start now, and here you will find two sections, one for domain and one for URL prefix. So first we will learn what is domain. So basically, what is domain? So if you have this domain, like my domain name is ResolveNest, and if I have any subdomain like resolvenest.com.bd or .net or .shop or .com any other things. So if I have any subdomain, if I index my this URL on this domain section, my all subdomain and my all domain which are connected with my this domain, all domain are indexed on this section and one search console. I think you understand, right? So next we have this option URL prefix. So what is URL prefix? So this just opposite of domain. So if you have multiple domain or multiple subdomain which are connected with your this domain, so basically on this URL prefix, every domain will index in different search console. Which URL you index put on this section, this URL will be indexed. Just this URL will be indexed and other will be not indexed, those are connected with this domain. So I prefer the URL prefix option because we'll differentiate the search console. If you use the same search console for multiple domain, it will be not clear and will not get the clear report. So we'll go with this URL prefix option. Let's grab the domain and put that domain on this section. Now continue. Okay, here you saw some options. How do we verify our ownership? So here you saw the multiple option. HTML file, we need to upload this HTML file on your website. Here you see HTML tag. So here you saw a meta tag. We need to copy the tag and we need to put that code on your website head section. And other option is Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager. If your website have any Google Tag Manager, you set up Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. So you can verify use the analytics. How? If that analytics and that tag manager on your same mail where you index your website, if that Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager on that mail where you index your website, and which email you are using to indexing that website, if those are same mail, you can just click on the verify, it will be verified. I will show you that method, no problem. So now basically it's the popular method. So and everyone want to learn these things, so I will show these things. What do you do? Just grab the code. If you click the copy, it will be copied. Now go to the website backend. It's our website. Our website is WordPress website. So here is our website. Go to the appearance section and you will find the theme file editor section. On that, now select your theme and find the header.php. Where is header.php? Here is the header.php. and we have to put the code on the head section. So here is head open and here is head close. How do we know the head is closed? If we saw the slash on the code section, the slash, that's mean it this tag is closed. It's closed. Make a place here and make a place and paste it here. And here also, every time one tag is closed, you will find the slash. Okay. So now update that file. Okay. It's successfully saved. So now just click on the verify section. See, it's verified. So on next video we'll learn the overview and performance and URL prefix, sorry, not URL prefix, URL inspection section. So it's for today. It's the first section of SEO, how to index your website. If you get anything helpful on this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any question, please comment. It inspires me